Setting sun is a smoking gun, is a four-letter word, I hope it hurts. Love is a fatal flaw, is a broken jaw, is a burning bridge, move your hips. And the ghosts of the boulevard, littered with lonely hearts. City like a graveyard, once was a postcard. When you lose your wonder, and you can't remember where we were living in the days of thunder. 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 Living in the days of love was a dream to have, was a king-size bed, was an escape plan, was an open hand. Now it's a dog from hell, it's a dream you sell, it's an epitaph, it's a photograph. And the ghosts of the boulevard, littered with lonely hearts. A city like a graveyard, once was a postcard. When you lose your wonder, and you can't remember where we were living in the days of thunder.
All right, everybody, what's up?
Days of thunder.
We got a banger for you today. It is Monday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, which can mean only one thing. It's time to play Haiku Pro, World of Haiku, the Haiku product suite, if you will. This lovely day, December 12th, we will be diving into Haiku Pro today. Haiku Pro is at haikupro.com, and it's basically like cyber ranges, individual challenges. You jump into them, spin it up, full Kali Linux installation, access to all the tools. There are flags. We will get them. Chat is here. I am loving it. We're going to see what we can do today. Want to say what's up and much love to the squad for being here. Nick Barker, the Left Coast representative. Jenny Housley's in the house. My man Ben, Alicia Jerry. What up? Love it, love it, love it. How's everybody doing today? You guys ready to rock and roll? I'm going to show you some new stuff that Haiku Pro's just rolled out. I'm pretty excited about. We're going to have a good time today. Kind of kicking it. Ending a Monday strong, right? We did some work, and now it's time to do a little bit of, it's play, but I would argue that it's work. So it's learning, it's education, it's good times. If you want to check out Haiku Pro, link in the description below, or just Google Haiku Pro. You'll see it all over the place. We're going to have a good time today. I want to show you guys a little bit of love for the... Let me do this really quickly. Yeah, all right, so let's do this. Let me show you what's cracking over here. I'm already logged into Haiku Pro. So, again, haikupro.com. I'll drop it in chat in case, because I always get asked, like, where is this? What are you guys looking at? Working through a SQL course, Justin Gold. I love it. Oh, nice. Yeah, ChatGPT. I was trying to do some automation with ChatGPT, but it wasn't. It was getting confusing. So here we had Haiku Pro. You can see it's similar to other cyber ranges. You've got your leaderboard. So we will be working our way up the leaderboard throughout the month of December. Try to unseat some people here. Here's Jerry Guy, ranked 23rd in the world. We're going to push that up today. What else we got? Another really interesting, cool feature that a lot of people don't realize is that Haiku Pro actually has like all the lessons and education and tools and things that you learn in Haiku Pro. It keeps track of what you're doing. So as you're learning Nmap and content management system and web app pen testing and stuff, it's keeping track of the skills that you're developing, how much of the skill you're developing, and then you can use the job search engine to actually find jobs that are similar to what you have been actually learning inside the platform. It's pretty cool. Obviously, we can do full-time remote job. We'll do entry level, and we'll sort by date posted. Let's see what they got here. All right, operations specialist at Nimbus out of Columbus, Ohio. 2 to 3 years of experience. Looks like it's more of a SOC analyst because they want you to do log analysis, Kibana, little object-oriented programming. You guys see, so it's not just a game. It is a really fun game, and you can learn a lot about it and test yourself. But there's also a hook into actually getting work. I actually just kind of want to look at this job here. 2 to 3 years experience, looking for a cyber analyst, full-time permanent role, hybrid, responsible for IT, OT. Pretty sweet. And you can apply right from the platform as well. So that's pretty cool. Posted 4 days ago. Giddy up on it. All right. But what we're here for is not just Job Connect and the skills resume. See, here's all the skills I've been picking up in the platform. Like I said, it keeps track of it all. Total time executed. We've done that photo rec. We did Scalpel, ranked 23rd in the world. Here are the badges that I'm working towards getting. Intro to Ethical Hacker. I've earned this badge. So the badging system is just getting rolled out. And the cool thing is the badge system is actually hooked in to LinkedIn. So you can earn a badge and then with a click of a button, post it to your LinkedIn profile. That's pretty sweet. So I like that. All right. So Nick Barker, I don't get out of bed for hacking for less than 100K exactly. Hey, Kimberly, good to see you. Because Kimberly's here. Oh, I don't have the straight cash, homie. I'll have to add that later. All right, let's go. It looks like there's 36 of us here. We're going to hang out and have a good time. What ranges? What ranges? So they have, right now, I think there's 11 ranges. Haiku Pro actually just dropped a new range earlier today. So if you've been playing Haiku Pro and you've like run the ranges, there's a brand new one here, Tom and Jerry. This is a defensive one. You guys remember too, Haiku Pro has offensive ranges, much like the other players in the market, but they also have defensive ranges, SOC analyst skills, and forensics ranges. So there's a lot of opportunity there to kind of tailor your education for what you're interested in getting out of a range. You know what I'm saying? So let's do, I guess, crawlers. I don't know. I think that's probably a web app. Yeah, let's do this one. So, it's probably worth noting here that if you look, each range tells you like what you'll learn, right? So you'll operate in Linux. This is an offensive one. Web apps, SQL injection frameworks and templates, web apps, content management system, public vulns, right? So it kind of gives you a good one. Oh, Jenny Housley knows crawlers. All right, well, let's do crawlers together, guys. So now that we've selected it, the range has like a little bit of a backstory or an objective associated with it. So crawling websites has never been easier. Can't write a line of code? No problem. Just use an amazing and sleek web interface-based crawler implementation like this one. Comes with top-of-the-line security, ... Identify and exploit the public exploit for the web crawler vuln. All right, so this is basically a web app that like Shodan or any of the other ones, except this one's got a vulnerability in it, and we are going to hack it. Again, here are the skills that you pick up, Kali Linux, Nmap. Plus, I'll just say that I find like these actually kind of indicate, this gives you some indication as to like what tools you might use and stuff. So that's pretty good. I will tell you all, I have not played this range. I go YOLO. So I don't think it would be fair if I played the range beforehand and knew all the nuances. So you'll get to watch me sweat, struggle, squint, do all the things, and then have Jenny Housley bail me out. Pretty standard Simply Cyber show here. So let's jump into the range. All right, the range is currently loading. So it is hosted in the cloud, and it is, it's a full-on Linux box. By the way, I love this color scheme, this red and blue here. It reminds me of the Black Hills Information Security. They have one that's got like a red Black Hills and the green background. It's like one of my favorite shirts. Oh, this is kind of fun. They have a little like trivia thing here. Common Hollywood hack cliche is hacking through multiple firewalls. One would not commonly find multiple layers of firewalls in an IT environment. One wouldn't be able to hack through a firewall. So I'm going to push back a little bit on that. You can, if you have network segmentation, I mean, that's effectively like firewalls, right? But anyways. All right. So here we are in the range. We have kind of a window into our Linux box. So this is another really nice thing. Some other platforms, you have to like spin up your own system and connect in via VPN into the target machine and do the things you're going to do. With Haiku Pro, it's basically a Linux box containerized. So, but you can see it's a full box. It's a full Linux box, right? With all the Kali stuff in it. Can your image setting up a practice environment with 5 firewalls just to be a rascal? That's funny. Yeah, Jenny Housley. Yeah, I do owe her. Hey, real quick, guys, folks in chat, what's the, can you read the Kali screen? Like, let me know if it can be, if I need to adjust. Docker is amazing. Yep. I was about to say, when you segment a network, you stand up other firewalls to segment the subnets. No, exactly. I mean, that's essentially what it does. There is some technologies that like simulate that, but all right, how do I zoom in on this guy? I can see it. It could be a little bigger, but he's in Texas. Yeah. All right, hold on. I'm gonna figure this out. How do you like enhance? Like, that's what I want to say. I want to yell. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Enhance. Okay. Can you read that? I think that's better, right, guys? 2 used to be common. Exterior DMZ. Yeah, exactly. Joseph Wyckoff. It's good to see you, Joseph. Thanks for being here. Hey, Aaron. Good to see you, Aaron KG. All right, so you can read this on the mobile. All right. Let's hack some stuff. All right. So we're in the Kali box. We've got a target IP, but we don't know what we're doing with that yet. We need to identify and exploit a public vuln. Okay, so the real juice is up here, these goals, right? And because it's like a capture the flag kind of, we're going to iterate over the goals in an organized fashion, right? Okay, so let's see. Gather information about the target machine to find an attack vector. Which port is open? All right, so this is Nmap all day long, right, guys? Nmap is going to be your go-to scanning tool. So what's the IP? So let's do Nmap. We'll just do a basic Nmap scan, and then I'll use some fancy arguments. See what this gets us. All right, so it's scanned. Port 8000 is the only thing listening. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, I always have to Google this. There's a YouTuber, a cybersecurity guy named IPSec, and he makes awesome content. And but he uses certain flags, and people just call it like IPSEC standard scan. So that's like something that I've been wanting to. I always have to Google it, but it's something that I've wanted to make muscle memory. Oh, okay. So he does this. Hold on, reconnect, Bubba. So he does this. TAC OA Nmap. So this is going to output it initial, and then 10.161. 192.168. So he's not even dumping it to the terminal. Hold on. Will this work? Okay. So now I'm running the Nmap scan, and I'm basically running it with default scripts, which is good. Probing for what ports, probing ports for services, and then outputting to a file type, which I don't know why it didn't. Oh, we did a seg fault. I don't know what's up with that. Here, I'm not going to do the output to a file type, okay? Because I don't know why it's not working. But we'll do this. Common scripts. And I think when I do this, it only scans the first 1,000 ports, but I might be mistaken. Why am I getting... Okay, so here we go. This is good. So it's port 8,000, and it's some type of system called Garapy. Garapy? WGI server? I don't know if you guys have ever heard of WTI server, but I haven't. Or WSGI. Let's do this. So I'm going to do this. Crap. There's a way to get a... like, you can't copy and paste from inside the VM outward. You have to do a special command to get, like, a clipboard up. Does anyone know that off the top of their head? Jerry Therapy. That's funny. What is it? Is it... There it is. Okay, so I do this so I can copy and paste out. So I'm just going to do this, guys. I'm going to create my notes here. New note, crawler recon. And this is something that pen testers do, I've been told. You know, like, oh my God, take notes. Bro, why can't I copy and paste? You're killing me, Smalls. Like, what are we doing here? Oh my God, bruh.
But you can't keep doing this to yourself. She's moved on. Meanwhile, you're out.
All right, here we go. All right, I don't know why I can't paste. That's incredibly frustrating. So I guess I will just take a screenshot. All right. So I'm taking a screenshot over here, which I can't save with Notepad. Oh, my brah. Brah. All right. So I'm just going to... There we go. So now I've got my notes over here. What's up, Sylvia? How we doing on here? 41 people. How to get that nice Haiku shirt? Yeah, I don't know. You'll have to message the people at Haiku, or I can try to find out if there's merch. If anyone from Haiku is watching right now, chime in. Let me know how to get some of this merch. I went to Black Hat, and Eric Basu, the CEO of the company, was there at the U.S. Cyber Games event, and he had this shirt, and he's like, "Hey, do you want this shirt?" I was like, "Sure, yeah." I actually got a hoodie too. It's very cool. Like, I like this cut of polo. All right. So, anyways, we are seeing that this port is open right here, 8,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in 8,000. Submit that baby all day long. Nice job, team. Nice job. All right, so gather information about the service running on the discovered port and find a way in. What's the username and password login information? Okay. Okay, let's see what's up. Has anybody used Jerry Therapy before? That's what I'm going to call it. It says Garapy, but we'll call it Jerry Therapy. Bro. Oh, you got to put in the right port, Jerry. Come on, man. There we go. Give me some of this. What is this? It was 8,000, wasn't it? Yeah, it was 8,000. Why can't I try it again? Try it again. So what, I can't load this thing? Okay. Well, I guess we're not going through the front door. Let's see. Cyber Carl needs Jerry Therapy, right? The global range. Yeah, David. I love it. Hydra time? Yes. Let's point Hydra at it. Because I don't know why I can't access it through the front end. Actually, what the heck is Garapi? Let's actually look at it. Right? Let's see what it is. Garapi. GitHub repo. Distributed crawler management framework based on Scrapy, Scrappy D client. All right. So, let's do this. Like, obviously, get your OSINT on, right? So let's do a little Google foo, okay? I'm gonna do site boink, and then I'm gonna put in password. Let's see. Init admin. Let's see. Always beating me to the. What did Jenny say? You have HTTPS. Oh, Jenny. See what I mean, guys? Jenny, keep a log. Keep a log. See, I get so spoiled. HTTPS. All right, there we go. Jenny with the win. All right. So, let's see what's up with this. Can we hide the bookmark bar? Yeah. Let's see. I don't even know what language this is. All right, so let's go back to our open source stuff and see if we can log in like with default creds. Default. Garapi has login authentication turned on by default, so you need to set up an admin user before starting the service. For convenience, you can quickly create an admin by directly using the command of the initial admin. The password's also admin. The password's also admin. The password's also admin? Okay. So, init admin? Okay, let's try that. Init admin. Here, you guys probably can't read that, can you? Right? Init admin, and then, yeah, I'll try admin in a second. Admin. Admin. Ah! Hacker, everybody, cue up your Hackers 90 voice. I'm in. Let's go. All right, so, terrible password, Carl. Oh my God. All right, so, I think we have to do, what's admin? Admin? Hold on. So we got it right. It's more about like, how do they want us to type it in? Is it admin period admin? How do we do it? Admin dash admin? Bro, I know it's admin. Hack the planet. All right, admin dash admin. Bro, there's no way I'm taking a hint on this one. We did it. What is this like? Like, what is that? Can you guys see this? Like, what is that? Oh crap. Uh-oh. I just what just happened? Apparently if you if you zoom too tight, you dork the range. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. We're gonna do this. Can we search the ranges? I can't believe that we just did that. I think I just found a bug. Can we continue the range? All right. You currently have a crawler active. Jerry hacked the actual game. I know, seriously. So I got like, how do I get back into my session? How do I get back in there? Computer, computer, take me back to my session. All right, whatever. Let's terminate it. Good thing I took good notes, y'all. Have to submit that to the range testers. Yeah, exactly. This is me playing this range right now. Where we at? How many heads we got up in here? 50 people? What's up, everybody? OSCP, 96 Gs a year. No kidding. National average for CISPs, 119,000. Man, times have changed. Took me a while, though. Jeez. All right. Here we go. I know, I basically did just turn it off and on again. Computer. What in the heck? Here, can we refresh this? This doesn't look like intended performance. Bro. This is not we definitely can't do the range if this is happening. Oh, there we go. All right, the machine just had to get spun up. All right, so let's resume where we were. I got to push the turbo button on my VM. All right, here we go. All right. So let me zoom in on this. All right, Aaron. Let me know, Aaron, when you can see it on your mobile. All right. So now let's do some... I'll just really quickly do the thing again. Bro, chop. And we're going to do our goals. We know it's 8,000 because we just did it a minute ago, right? But to confirm, there it is. Garapi, Python 3.6, 8,000. All right, so we took our notes. We're going to submit to that. Very nice. And we got 0 points because we just did it, right? And now I'm going to log in because we got the creds. Admin. Oh my god, guys, it's so good. It's so good. This is so good. This is the midnight. I just love it. This is so big on mobile, you can see terminal from across the room. That's the thing. I mean, I want everybody. This dude, I am like a champion of inclusion. I want inclusion. Firefox is not responding. All right, there we go. So that means I'm trying to be ADA compliant by making the font size 700. All right, let's bust this baby open. And as Jenny Housley pointed out, you have to get rid of the HTTPS because... And as Jerry's figuring out, you got to put the right port number, because if you don't know this, web browsers default to port 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS. That's why you don't have to put it at the end, but if you're doing it on an unusual port, you have to do it on the end. So here's Jerry Therapy. Admin. No, we're not going to save it. All right, so we're in. Okay, hack the planet. Now we're trying to figure out how to put in this, flag, right? Anybody? Oh, it's a colon? All right, let's try it. Nice, Casually Joseph. Very good for the win. Thank you. All right, so let's check out what the next challenge is. Find a publicly available exploit for the Garapi CMS found using Searchsploit on Terminator and obtain a shell. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so what's Terminator? I'm not very familiar with Terminator. Oh, is that just the terminal? Okay, so it's just a terminal. I just call it the terminal. All right, so let's get our huge thing. So now let's use Searchsploit. I'm not an expert at Searchsploit, so let's try. Is it Searchsploit? Is it as easy as that? Hold on, I gotta make it a little smaller, okay, guys, so I can read it. Looking at chat real quick. I think he tries to actively ignore chat while working through it. Yeah. Colon. Oh yeah. Hey. So I mean, you may have said it before, and I didn't see it. It's hard to be up here and stream and work on a challenge and engage chat. I'm trying though. All right. So hold on. Let me. Let's do man Searchsploit. Right. So Searchsploit is a local instance of, I think, Exploit DB, if I'm not mistaken, right? Searchsploit dash help. There we go. And then I'm going to do less so I can read it. What the crumb? What is going on here? Oh. Yeah, what? Why is this? Why am I need an adult, man. Searchsploit. Let's do that. I didn't want to read it this way. Oh, yeah. All right, so here we go. Here's the usage. This is what I wanted. Searchsploit. And what are we looking for? It's from Exploit DB, which is cool. Perform a case-sensitive search. Default is insensitive. E.g. Oh, God, it's so hard to read like this. Okay, so let's do this, okay? Search, exploit, Garapi. See what that brings back. Okay, so this is a nice, easy one. Okay, so there's a nice one. We've got here. Let me take a picture of this. Now, guys, this is gonna like fully show my ignorance. I don't. I'm not 100% sure what to do next. So I need to. Would you use Metasploit now? Would that be it? Would you use Metasploit at this point? Like once you find a Searchsploit, like what to do after finding Searchsploit, right? Here we go. All right, so okay. I'm sure chat's screaming at me. It's not Ruby. I need a moderator. Yeah. Metasploit uses Ruby. Yeah, I'm just curious if I need to like fire up Metasploit and find this, or if I can just go to Python. I mean, because like it's not like I have a Python directory like that, right? ls. So I think I need to go to Metasploit and then put this in as the path. Here, what? You can run it? Okay. Well then I gotta find it, right? Like wherever this is on the server. Alright, hold on one second. Yeah, Louise, this is a VM instance, but it is Kali Linux. And we're trying to hit this content management system is called, it's running on a Garapi, and it's running, you can see here, There's a known vulnerability for it, according to Searchsploit, for Garapi 0.97, and it's in this directory. So I need to get to this directory, but I'm a little confused on where. Is that in a library? Right? Isn't it usually in lib? No. Right? Is it lib python remote? So that's not right. Oh, thank you, Louise. Here, searchsploit-m ID. This will copy the Python script to the local directory. Oh my god, what a boss move, Louise. Thank you. Let's check it out. I figured Searchsploit would have some type of like capability to do that. Here, let's get this again. All right, so where's the actual number? Like, how do you get the ID? Yeah, that's a good call. I'll try that. Yeah, I'm sure Callie has Python. 50640. Let's see if that works. Cool. All right, guys. And there it is. There it is. All right, so is there like a there's usually like comments at the beginning on how to use it. All right. Let's see. What does it take? Login, admin. Okay, so that's gonna work already. This is why you don't just download exploits and then fire them. You should look at them to see what's going on. Okay, so now I want to know how do you pass parameters to it? I don't see in here where it's going to like ask you what's up. Here, let's just do Python. See if it asks for parameters. We'll give that a shot. If this doesn't work, yeah, thanks, Louise. If this doesn't work, my thought is, I mean, you could do it. You could do it in. Hold on, was that actually working or what? Hold on one second. This is probably not the right way to do it. Okay. But this is what I would do because I'm a hack. All right. All right. So target IP, like, so this is how. Oh, are you supposed to? Let me see really quickly. All right. So it needs an IP, a port, a local host, and a local port. So, you know, the hack in me, get args. The args are usually passed. So IP port here. Let me write this because I think I can do this. Let me do this really quickly. All right, so let me do this. By the way, does anyone use Nano over VI or Vim? I know that there's like really strong communities around both of them, but I'm a Nano guy. All right, so it's target IP. So let's do this. No idea if this is going to work. Again, guys, I don't do these in advance on purpose, so you can see that it's real. What is my... I guess 10, 161, 175. And then, okay, so let's paste it. And then, I guess, what IP would I pick? Like, just anything? Delete. Okay, here we go. I agree. Oh no, Jenny, does this mean we're gonna have problems? All right, let's see if this works. I'm trying to pass this as arguments to the box. We'll see what happens. All right, error, the following arguments are required. Oh, okay, so I see. All right. I was close. I was close. Tac T. Tac P. Tac L. And Tac P. Okay, here we go, guys. Ooh! Whoa! Look at us! Look at us all grown up. Okay, so something. What happened here? Resolving URL, log into the app, login success, so everybody's feeling good, and then get the project list. Line 76 and exploitation name, Dick name, list index out of range. So this is interesting. Now, hey, I want to point out, I've said this on Simply Cyber channels before. You don't need to know how to program in order to be good at cybersecurity or contribute or have a career and all that. But there are certain roles, especially offensive security roles, where understanding how to program would be useful. And I always say Python's a good one because Python gets used a lot. This one is interesting, so check it out. I mean, cat 50 whatever. Oh wait, I gotta do tac n. Right. So doing cat tac n adds a line number to the left side, and it said like 87 or 89. So this looks interesting. I wonder if this is a bug. Right? Why would you declare this variable and then immediately overwrite it? Yeah, I would agree. Lead Haxor, that's so true. Sublime's good. I like Sublime. How are you listening to the callback? Oh, Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. All right, so Jenny makes a good point. So guys, really quickly, I am doing this right here where I'm trying to attack this box on this port, which is fine. We know that for a fact because we were able to scan it with Nmap over here, but we're trying to establish a remote reverse shell. And to Jenny's point, we are listening, or we're going to connect here and listening on port 1337, but we actually need something listening on that port, because right now, netstat, I know that there's a better way to do netstat, but I'm old. Right, listening. There's nothing listening right now, so we need to use netcat. Netcat is like Swiss Army knife. Yeah, Jenny's always killing it. What do you mean? Is man? Man is case sensitive apparently. Yeah, Swiss Army knife. See. All right, so netcat deck LP. Okay, so I think it's netcat tac L. So listening tac P 1337. Okay, so now let's do this. I'll do that same. Is netstat? Yeah, netstat. And then grep listening. Why is that here? Let's do this. Netstat. Did I not do the listening port correctly? How about netstat grep 1337?
Speaking of marketing, one of today's greatest marketing
Did I do this
triumphs
wrong?
in the entertainment
Is this
field
not listening?
It's a business which has tripled in size in just 3 years.
Is it LVP? I feel like I always see V. There we go. So now let's do this. I don't know. Anybody? Jenny is the bestest. Why is it that I can't see the listening service on my box right now? I feel like I should. Right? Netstat. And then this isn't part of the lab, but like to me, oh my god, where is it? So we've got some established services. That's fine. It is a VM, so there's all sorts of network connections all over the place. But why don't I see a freaking? Is that a TAC L, Louise? Netstat TAC L. Thank you. Thank you. Ugh. Thank you, Louise. All right. So, and there it is right there. Okay. So you could see, hold on, let me zoom in for y'all. You see now we've got a listening service. So to Jenny's point earlier, now let's try to throw it and see what happens. There we go. Make it nice, pretty ASCII art. So the same issue there. Same issue, Jenny, but we are listening, which is good. Right, so this is happening. Yeah, so we're listening on this port, so this is fine. So this is all right. Why is our exploit not working? Hold on, where? There's not a lot of space in here to be moving around. There it is. Okay. That size is still good for mobile. Thanks, Aaron. LNVP IP. All right, well, let's try that. Let's try that. Oh my god, I accidentally just launched a new instance. So let's do this. And I know LNVP. I didn't know about the N, but there we go. So now we're listening. And let's confirm that. Yeah, still listening. Everything's good. I wonder if my I wonder if by saying the IP of the machine, if I change it to localhost, you think that might do it? Or no, it's going to be a reverse shell, so it has to come back. It has to know the IP address. All right. 10161. All right, come on. Let's do this. Right? All right, let's do it. I appreciate it. There's something else missing from the query, something that doesn't exist on the server yet. Oh. Something. Okay, well then let's figure this out. We're able to log in. Maybe, okay, so maybe we do this. Let's look at this actual Python exploit and see if there's any information in here on how to use it, okay? Remote code execution, authenticated. All right. So admin's fine. Here's the CVE that we're going to be exploiting. Let's do that. Hold on one second. CV 43857. 43857. Okay. All right. This is a real vuln. All right. And let's do this. Let's see. Exploit. Log into the app. Okay, so this is all happening. All right, so username, login, password, redirects true, successful, proceeding. Okay. Create a header out of the oath token. Let's see. It goes back to the code where he was looking at loading JSON into a dictionary, right? Well, that's what I was thinking. Get the project list. So this is where it's puking. Right? Hold on. Where is it puking? I want to see where it pukes. Logging in, so everything's good. Getting the project list. And then it pukes. Line 130. Okay, let's see. Logging into the application. Login successful. Getting the project list. Okay. And then it starts to do this stuff. We don't get this error message. This is what we saw earlier in the code where we thought maybe something was up. Getting the idea of the project to build the URL. So, yeah, it's choking right in this space. All right, and the error we're getting is index out of range, which is more of, that has nothing to do with the exploit. That has to do with Python and the data structure that they're using. So dict30 name list index out of range. Let me do this really quickly. All right. I don't even know, like, I might be like way off base, but yeah, right here is where it's choking. So let's do this. All right. This is what I do. All right. Print. Dict. Hold on. Print dict, right? And then print dict2. Well, that's probably going to look really similar because it's just the data dictionary dumped anyways. Print dict3. Now it's a and then let's do this because dict3 changes again. I think it's choking right before. Okay. All right, let's do this. So my theory here is that we basically put in some debugging code. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, Smalls. All right. It looks like I already set up Netcat in the Python program. Oh, is that right? Interesting. I'll have to look at that in a second. Give me a second really quickly to... All right. Okay. All right, so let me do this. Python it's complaining now because I put white spaces instead of tabs. because I didn't know how the author of this original program wrote it. Okay. All right. Let's try that. Oh my god, you are killing me, Smalls. Line 79. All right. Line 79 here is this guy. It does not like what I've done. It does not like what I've done here. I really don't think that Haiku Pro is expecting, you know, students or professionals or whatever to go in and edit code. You know what I mean? All right, hold on. So David says there's a hint. Everyone sees these videos. I see Jerry as this really high authority in the cyberspace. That's what I see him do this. I can see how this is problem solving similar to anyone starting in the sector. Exactly. You cannot scrape something that isn't there. Oh, I see. All right, hold on. So first of all, let's do this. LS. I mean, nano. Here, let me do this. Let me get rid of my debug scripts crap in here because obviously it wasn't working. Now I've done messed it up here. So I think what Jenny is saying is in order for the exploit to work, it has to scrape something from the environment, and that something doesn't exist yet. So I have to create. I mean, I can't even read this. I don't know what this is. Yes. Let's see, David. Spot on, Jenny. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, y'all. So I don't know what this is supposed to say. So, you know, simply cyber. And then 10.161.165.14. I'm guessing this is a port, maybe? Say 8001. I don't know what this toggle does. Oh, it's more fields. I don't want to deal with that. Okay. There we go. I don't know what this did, but we're in. Let's try it now. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let's get rid of that. Right. And now let's do search exploit. TAC M. What was it? 50640. 50640. Okay. All right. So now we basically just pulled down a clean version of that Python file. Let's go ahead and run our command again. We've got our listening service on. Whew. This is real deal, y'all. This is how it is. All right, so that did not work. Index out of range because it's trying to pull something that isn't there. Okay, so maybe let's just create all sorts of stuff. Simply cyber folder, I guess, because it looks like a folder icon. Okay. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. Hello? Hello, Jenny. There we go. All right, cool. Yeah, maybe we can... All right, so I think we have a project named Simply Cyber now. So I don't know what any of this is. All right, let's go ahead and create that. All right, so now we've got a bunch of stuff. Let's go ahead and try to see what happens. Press EN. Oh, David, if it's that easy, I'm gonna lose my mind. Look, here we go. Yes, found Simply Cyber folder. Getting the idea of the project to build the URL, something went wrong. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna own this. I'm gonna own this, guys. I'm gonna own this, okay? This is for me.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
That is embarrassing, people. That is so embarrassing. That is so embarrassing that that is embarrassing. Oh my god. Shame. 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 This is like me. Shame. Oh my god. How embarrassing, y'all. All right. All right. So I still haven't hacked the Gibson yet here. Let's go ahead and create another project. Like Jenny Housley for the win. Okay. We're going to go ahead and create it. I almost wonder if I have to, generate something. Because getting the idea of the project to build the URL, something went wrong. I can't reach the found project. Where's my, is my listening service still listening? Oh wait, that's wrong, Jerry. Okay, hold on. Is my listening service running? Yes, I have a listening service. I don't know why stream quality would be dropping. Let's see. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why it's dropping, but I'm trying to figure this out now. Why can't... Here, let me see this really quickly. This is what I would do. Okay. Something went wrong. I can't reach the found project. Something went wrong. I can't find the... What is it? I can't reach the found project. I can't reach the found project. And then it's, what is it? Garapy exploit. All right. Let's see. I mean, this is just the source code, right? Here's the error message that we get. Right? Getting the idea of the project, API, time sleep, build. Why can't... Why is this not working? Let's see. Can't reach the found project. Getting the idea of the project. I mean, we have multiple projects running in there now, right? So... Should we add another project? What is this? Is the project supposed to be like running? You know what I mean? Let's do a project and just name it like foobar. Okay. Generate code, not generate. Okay. So here, configurable. See that These ones, here, let me try it again because I don't know why these don't have green check marks, but they don't. Let's see. Let's try it now. Let's see, I'm reading the chat here. Something went wrong. So it just goes to show you guys, it's, you know, it's not just like point and click exploiting, right? What does this do? I don't know what these things do. All right. So, I don't know if it's going to work, y'all. Actually, you know what? Well, see, the thing is, I could ask for the hints, but I could ask for the hints, but I think we've already done it. You know, okay, let's do the hints. And let's see what happens, okay, guys? Yeah, I affect my rank. You'll need to run the exploit with Python 3. Run this first without any options to see the exploit usage arguments. All right, so, I mean, we actually did do that. So, you know, as I thought, that's not the problem here for us. All right, let's check out hint 2. You'll need to run this exploit with Python 3. Run this first without... Oh, hold on. No, hint 2. Yes, I know we're losing points. Another error might be telling us the exploit needs a project in Garapi to work properly, so you'll need to create a project on the web app. Okay, so that was Jenny Housley's hint. So that works. So let's look at hint 3. You do not need to run a netcat listener, as the script will run one for you automatically. Exploit execution should look like this with the IP address changed to the actual version. That's a typo. That should say to the actual IP address. But, all right, so let's do this. We're getting this box, y'all. I don't care if we're getting no points for it. We were really close. All right, so let me turn off the netcat listener, right? All right. Do I have netcat running right now? Do I even have netcat running? I do. I don't know how to stop that though. Like I don't know where the shell is that had that running. Oh, here it is. All right, so we don't need to do that. All right, so let's go back in here and let's see. It says Python 3-T. So this is kind of weird. It just says Python 3-T. It doesn't actually have the executable that you're supposed to. So that's a typo. All right. Anyways, 443. Let's see. Tech P. So this is. Let's see. Oh my God, what is going on? I'm in the shell here. All right. The target is that. The port is 8,000. I agree with that. This is our box's IP address. Last I checked, right? All right. Yeah, 10, 161, 177, 85. Yep. And then 443. All right. So, dude, we're running this thing. We created a project. That happened. Something went wrong. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. The VM's about to die. It only had 90 seconds left. I will turn it to chat if anyone has thoughts. Let's see. Ooh, let's see. Adam's here. No one likes a snitch. Yeah. So, I mean, we're not going to complete the challenge. I feel like just like with the one last week where we couldn't find the flag, we did everything that we're supposed to do, and we're just coming up a little bit short. And it's, you know, it's unfortunate. So the only thing I could think of is like, there's too many projects in here, maybe? I don't know. Oh well. So anyways, guys, this is Hack the Haiku Pro. And unfortunately, we were unable to successfully complete it. But as you can see, there's a full range, tons of, you know, it's a Kali Linux desktop. So, I mean, it is what it is. You're just crushing it. Yeah, so let me jump out of here. This is going to end. We did not get it. We came very, very close, but, you know, it is what it is. Let me see this. All right, Citadel. And timers complete. Redo the challenge. Okay. So we did get some points. So we went up from level 23 to 19. So that's feeling pretty good. Yeah, because, I mean, we did get 600 points for part of the challenge, but we did not get, unfortunately, the complete flag, which is so frustrating. I'll have to do what I did last time and with Bark and go look at it. But guys, remember, if you want to play Haiku Pro, also test the different ranges. It's at haikupro.com, and you can see they've got a bunch of different ranges in here now. Here's the one that we just did. Offensive, defensive, forensic, and this one right here just dropped today. Haiku is going to be dropping new ranges weekly until further notice. So definitely come back and check it out. I'll be streaming it, you know, as I tend to do on... oh, wait, hold on one second. Whoops. Jesus. Hold on. Hold on. I got too much going on here, my man. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. Gosh, that's streamer life right there, having to deal with too much going on. But yeah, guys, I hope you had a good time. It is 5:15 here on the East Coast, so that's going to do it for this stream. Had a great time with you all. Jenny, Louise, David, appreciate the help. Casually Joseph, Aaron being in chat, Lobo, just Adam, Base Case. I didn't even see Base, but I saw you guys talking about him. I genuinely appreciate it. It is Monday. It is Monday. You know, I'll own it though. I'll own this all day, every day. Okay, I'll own this. Throw that out of here. No dice on me. All right. I'll have to get a shame sound effect. All right. I'll do that. Guys, this has been Haiku Pro. Join us next Monday where we will be playing World of Haiku, which is similar but different. It's not a range. It's more of a story-based game that teaches you Linux and pen testing. It was going to be fun. So we'll have a good time with that. Guys, thank you so much for being here. For those of you who are Simply Cyber community members, we'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time for the daily cyber threat briefing tomorrow morning. Thank you all very much. Have a good evening. We'll see you next time.